walk.
Not really.
Yeah, it's not too far.
I walked everywhere today.
I went to the wrong building last night. Did I tell you that?
No.
I went to the wrong room. I went to like that one over there. I was like, fuck.
Way to go, Tool.
Somebody come out? No. I took him up. I was like, fuck, I'm in the wrong building. Yeah, I came over here. I was like, alright, well, whatever.
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
You videotaping?
Peace.
Did you videotape last night?
What room is Young in?
No. It's probably a good thing.
What room is Young in?
Right next to Shaw's.
3:30?
Yeah, 3:30.
Call her, ask her if she's ready.
The Kentucky Derby this weekend on AFN
Birds love
Sports.
Funyuns.
Come inside. Find it in City Tuesdays at 9:30 only on AFN Extra.
Fuck, bro. Dude, this is fucking nuts.
Hey, what are you guys doing here? We've come to save you. But I thought you hate us. We do. Carmen, where are you going? I'm gonna go take care of this prick. Carmen, he's crazy. He's not crazy, he's an idiot. I know how to deal with these people. What's up, Midnight? Uh-oh, my 30-ton prank. La la
You're pissing him off.
Uh-oh.
We will have to be quick. The Americans are attacking.
Where do we go?
God damn.
Get down.
¡Oh, no! ¡Cosa que mano! ¡Oh, you! You! Murder American!
Hey, shut up, kid. America didn't start this war.
America didn't start this war. They started it years ago when they put the military bases on Muslim holy land.
I'm fighting over that shit.
That big piece I don't know what to do with.
Hey, look, infidel.
Funyun. It's not just for potheads anymore. Look at that shit, dude. It was stuck around him. He ran through like a hula hoop, bro.
Chicken. Ass of a chicken. All right, I've had just about enough of this. They told us in school and on TV that most people in Afghanistan and Pakistan like America.
And you believe it? It is not just the Taliban that hates America. Over a third of the world hates America.
But why?
They're
Why
still
does the
hanging out.
world
Where's
hate
the
us?
food?
Because you don't realize that a
Sure.
third of the